So, why don't we make this video on weird faces? Weird faces that people do that bug you. In pictures, all you see girls do is this, or this, or this, or this, or like, what's so fascinating about that? Like, seriously, that's it. I want to know why everybody likes that. Okay, and the guys, what do guys do? Standing in front of a mirror
They don't smile in pictures.
in the bathroom. In front of the mirror in the bathroom. No one wants to see your dirty bathroom. Like, why would you take pictures? Also, force flexing your muscles. Yeah, some of you don't even have them. Okay. Let's see who has the best New Jersey accent. Me?
No, I'm out.
Or her?
No.
No, you're in.
No. No.
You better do it.
No.
I will
You made me
stop
dunk my head in cold water.
I will stop you. Ready?
No.
Okay, I'll go first. And then we'll have a burping contest.
I'm good with the burping contest. It's not the other one.
Why not?
Because I don't have any.
I'm from New Jersey.
Cool.
You say that, no?
No.
Just say it after. You said
No.
it plenty of times before. Just say it.
Yeah, but I was like hyper.
Just say it.
No.
Dad,
I can't. No. Stop it.
say it.
No.
And it's true, we're from New Jersey.
What did she say?
But you can't know where. Okay, ready?
What?
Burping contest.
Hold on. This is so not weird.
I can't do long burps.
Wait. What she did.
Come on, burp.
See, this is my favorite part.
That was me.
My brother has the longest burp. I think he's I'm supposed to burp. Yeah, whip that hair. Whoa. He landed with his legs open. That contest was really weird with the peach. Or
Look,
plum.
I love this part. Watch the pan. Watch what she does with the pan. Watch.
I totally dominated you.
Cool. Look, I'll let you think what you want.
Comment the winner. Who you think won? It was totally me.
Mm-hmm.
My burping contest?
You have a weird brain.
I can burp. Ready?
Ew.
She doesn't burp, right?
Because I'm a... No, I'm just kidding.
I'm a girl. I do not have implants. You nasty. Okay, well, don't forget to comment who won. Me.